Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Tracy here. So I did say back in December that I was gonna unsubscribe from my Ipsy, and I actually did. But for some reason, another one showed up. I had unsubscribed and I still got a bag. So I'm kind of like, what? Ready for it. It is an athleisure theme. It says, I will conquer blank. And then it has the game face and explains to you the theme of the bag. But right now, all I want to know is what's inside. All right, the first thing up. What is this? Velvet liquid lipstick. Why is this? Do you guys see that? I just took off some red shadow off of this liquid lipstick. Did something break? Oh my god, it's all over this bag. So let's do this unbagging and we'll see what else broke. Ooh, hola babe. All right, we have the Velvet Liquid Lipstick by Hola Neon. This is really pretty packaging. Well, it's a really pretty color. Excited to use this because I am into the satins and the velvet matte lipsticks. Next in the bag, we got this charcoal wash off mask. It's a 15-minute facial therapy deep cleansing mud-based formula, unclogs pores and lifts away impurities for all skin types. I'm having some breakouts down here. But I'm so excited that I got this mask because I will definitely need this with what's going on with my face as of late. Next item in the bag is filled with that red eyeshadow stuff that I found in the bag. Please tell me it's not broken. Holy moly. This got here broken as well. It is a red mess. I'm having bad luck with eyeshadows this month, guys. Guys, see it? You guys see it? That is what an eyeshadow did to my eyelid. So that's what happened. Next up in the bag, we got a Vasanti brush. Got a Vasanti brush, it's so pretty. See, I'm kind of hoarding brushes now. Because you can't have enough brushes, guys. And the next thing on the bag is what I've been missing since I ran out of both of my eyeliners, liquid liners. If I may add, I got a Ciate London Fierce Flicks liquid liner. It's just what I needed to make my wings. But there you go, guys. That is what I got in this month's Ipsy bag. If you like these unbagging unboxing videos, please let me know in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe because y'all know you want to see more of this face. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.